Hello, hello, kvCORE users. This is Annalisa with Inside Real Estate, and I wanted to give you a quick tour of some really fantastic new classes that Ryan uploaded yesterday in regards to Facebook in our learning portal. So to access our learning portal within kvCORE, you're going to scroll down this left-hand side of your dashboard and click Learning Portal. And the cool thing is, the development team added in a method of which you can use to access your learning portal on your mobile device as well. So when you are on your mobile device, you can click that little tray that will slide out to the left at the very top left of your app. I think there's 3 lines up there, and you tap that and this little tray slides out. And this is where you can access the open house app, some settings to set up your push notifications, and you can switch to web version on the app itself. Now, once you switch to the web version, then you're going to have your little cap for the learning portal right down there at the bottom left. Now, when you click into this, the system is automatically going to log you in to the learning portal, and it's going to keep track of where you are, what your progress has been, so you can come and go from these classes as you need to. So there are self-paced tutorials, which is great. So you'll see here on the upper right, I'm automatically logged in. And I can see all of the kvCORE specific training here. So if you're newer and you want to check out the quick start or want to refresh yourself, there's 31 lessons within. If you're seeking tips and tricks for mortgage lenders, want to help your mortgage partners, learn how to leverage and use the system to be successful in partnering with you, you can check that out. And then there's also some classes on how to generate and convert seller leads, our Inside Real Estate pay-per-click advertising tour, what we do for you if you opt in for advertising, and a simple social media posting protocol that generates leads and referrals. Now, the latest class of which Ryan uploaded is going to be located in the Lead Gen tab. So just click over to Lead Gen. And that's also where you'll find the simple social media posting, etc. However, you're going to see this amazing class of Facebook ads, generating and converting real estate leads with paid Facebook ads. So this is all about teaching you about the Facebook pay-per-click, looking at generating leads, looking at tactics of which you can use to convert and close. So currently, there are 33 lessons within, and you can access this just by clicking in. Now, I've already joined the class. You can see it says resume course, but if you haven't, there'd be a big green tab here saying, jump into that class. So I'm going to go ahead and click resume course. And you'll see there is a welcome from the man himself, Ryan Hartman. And as we look down this left-hand side, you can see it kind of tracks where you're at. So like if I was to finish the welcome video by clicking, continue here at the bottom, it then checks off the welcome for me to tell me where I'm at in the process. So when you get into getting started, you'll be able to learn how to set up your business manager account, your pixels, how to install your pixels, how to tell if your pixels installed, creating your custom audiences, and so forth. And these are all designed to walk you through the process of learning how to create your own pay-per-click ads on Facebook. Now, if you have any questions anytime, it is important you chat with support bottom right-hand side of your dashboard, or please email us, kvCORE@insiderealestate.com. I hope you all have a great day.